From the time we're kids, we're sold this fairy tale. Make a lot of money, dress sharp, drive a nice car, and the perfect girl will fall madly in love with you. But here's the cold truth. None of that works if you don't understand how women actually think. Attraction isn't logical, it's psychological. You can't buy it with cash, flex it with clothes, or fake it with gifts. Until you figure out what she really wants deep down, nothing you do will matter. That's why today we're breaking down 10 psychological triggers in women, not to manipulate, but so you don't get played. Number 1. Emotional stability power. I just got off a call with a guy who was losing his mind because his girl was hanging out with other dudes. He'd blow up, get jealous, start begging, bro. She's not even officially yours yet, and you're already acting like she owns you? Women test this on purpose. They want to see if you'll stay calm or completely crumble. When you freak out, cry, or beg, you fail the test. She needs to feel like you're the rock and she's the wave crashing against you. Stay unbreakable, and suddenly she feels safe leaning on you. Number 2. Scarcity desire. Most guys smother her before she's even in a relationship. Endless texting, hours on the phone, sexy talk 24/7. Then when he finally asks her out, she hits him with, "I see you as a brother. She was never into you. She just loved the attention. Stop giving unlimited supply. Be busy." Sometimes reply fast. Sometimes leave her on read. Make her wonder, where did he go? That curiosity is what flips the switch from nice guy to I need him. Number 3. Voice and presence. You don't need six-pack abs. You need presence. Walk like you own the room. Shoulders back, head up, steady pace. When you talk to her, look her in the eyes and speak slow and low. Not yelling like I'm doing right now for the video, but calm, controlled, deep voice. That alone makes her body react before you even say anything clever. 4. The power of walking away. Guy spends every day talking to a girl for months. Classes, calls, everything. One day she ignores 4 of his calls in a row. Instead of disappearing, he keeps chasing huge mistake. The second she feels you'll tolerate disrespect, she loses respect. When she senses you can walk away without blinking, suddenly she's the one scared of losing you. Crazy how that works, right? Number 5. A man with a mission. The sexiest thing a man can have isn't a car, beard, or bank account. It's direction. When a woman sees you're obsessed with your goals, grinding every day towards something bigger, she wants in on that journey. A man without a mission is boring. A man on a mission, irresistible. 6. Controlled vulnerability. Showing emotion doesn't make you weak. Dumping every feeling on her does. Cry, scream, rage with your boys if you need to. But with her, you show the scar, never the open wound. Yeah, I went through hell last year, but look how I came out stronger. That builds insane attraction. Needy tears kill it. Number 7. Tests never stop. She'll pull back, give silent treatment, create drama, overreact. Not because she's evil, but because she's checking if you're actually strong enough to handle her forever. Stay calm and slightly amused. You done, say it with a smirk. Watch how fast the energy shifts and she starts chasing your approval. Number 8. Rejection loss. Most guys act like getting ghosted or dumped is the end of the world. Wrong mindset. If she walks, just think cool doors open if you change your mind. That indifference terrifies her because she expects you to beg. When you don't, she starts questioning why she ever left. Number 9. Never be an open book. Stop telling her every thought and feeling the second you feel it. Keep some mystery. Let her dig. The less she can predict you, the more she obsesses over you. Ask about her day, her dreams, her life. Make her talk 70% of the time. Works every single time. Number 10. Control your desires. Control everything. A lot of guys become slaves to sex or affection. She can treat him like trash, and he'll still take it, because at least I'm getting something. When you can look at what she's offering and say, nah, I'm good, even when every part of you wants it, the power dynamic flips instantly. She's never met a guy who can say no to her body. Now she's the one chasing. At the end of the day, the man who leads wins. The man who reacts loses. If any of these points felt real to you, take a second and let it sink in. Because once you start acting with clarity instead of confusion, everything changes: the way she responds, the way you carry yourself, and the way your whole story unfolds. Drop a 10 if this resonated, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay sharp. Peace.